Hello and welcome. My name is Caleb Free. Today we're going to be diving into Engineering Online, how Ramboll and Summit Engineering and Design's websites compare. On our agenda today, we're going to complete a company overview. I'm going to give you a brief introduction into both Ramboll and Summit Engineering and Design. Then to evaluate each company's websites, we're going to use three main criteria. The first of which is the visual design comparison. Secondly, the ease of navigation. And the third topic being, is the website based on a target audience? Finally, we will wrap it all up and make conclusions about which website may be better. Beginning with Ramboll. Ramboll is a global architectural and engineering firm. They were founded in Denmark in 1945. They're a very large firm. They have locations in 35 different countries with over 18,000 employees. Their work can be seen in 90 different countries. Ramboll's big goal is they strive for sustainable infrastructure change. Moving on to Summit Engineering and Design, they are an all-encompassing civil engineering firm. They were founded in 1997. Currently, they are only located in America. They are licensed to operate in 15 different states, and they have over 400 employees. For our methodology today, we're going to begin with visual presentation. This category is going to be worth 40 different points. It's going to be based on the home and subpages. Secondly, we're going to move into ease of navigation. This topic's also going to be worth 40 different points, and it's going to be looking for a comprehensive and logical transitions between the home and subpages. Finally, we're going to be looking for the target audience of the website. This is going to be worth 20 points. Here we are looking for a website that reaches and focuses on its target audience. For the visual presentation of each website, we're going to be looking for the use of images to highlight the different sectors of the company. We're going to be looking for figures that you can interact with, and we want to see a homepage that reflects the brand and purpose of the company. Starting with Ramboll's visual presentation, I scored them at a 38 out of 40. Firstly, when you open the website, you'll see a photo that looks like the photo on the bottom right. It's a photo that they have personally worked on, and they have descriptive text explaining how their photo relates to their company. Their homepage and subpages do a great job of highlighting their sustainable energy goals, as you can see some of the text to the photo on the right. Their transitions also blend in with the photo on the homepage until you want to go select, and then it will change colors. Moving on to Summit Engineering and Design's visual presentation, I scored them at a 34 out of 40. Their homepage contained lots of different photos, highlighting the many sectors within their company. Each photo was interactive and brought you to a subpage further describing that sector. Their subpages were also easily highlighted, as you can see on the photo to the left. Where they lose points is some of the photos don't really mesh well together. I think they could have spaced out a little bit better, but overall, an effective homepage. Moving on to ease of navigation, beginning with Ramboll, I gave them a 32 out of 40 possible points. Their page fit well on both web and mobile applications. However, certain sectors can be difficult to find information about on their website, and their subpage banner disappears when scrolling, which for me personally is a negative aspect. For Summit Engineering and Design, I scored them at a 37 out of 40 possible points. Their page fit well on both web and mobile applications, and their subpages were easy to find. Finally, hitting our third criteria of reaching the target audience, I scored Ramboll at an 18 out of 20. Ramboll faces a very difficult challenge because they offer a lot of different services, but I thought they did a good job of highlighting all the different sectors within their company while focusing on their business model and specifically their issues with climate change. Now for Summit Engineering and Design, I gave them a 20 out of 20. They discussed their history and thus discussed their strengths, beginning with surveying and civil engineering and then discussing how they've grown from there. They really can make you feel confident about the services they can provide. Coming to a close, I scored Ramboll at an 88 out of 100 possible points while scoring Summit Engineering and Design at a 91 out of 100 possible points. Ramboll was strong in presentation. Their website was beautiful. However, I think they can improve on the ability to find information on their website. It can be very difficult to find information about sectors not dealing with sustainable energy change as they continue to push towards that. For Summit Engineering Design, I think it presents its capabilities very well. I think you can leave their website feeling confident that whatever service you want them to provide, they can do a good job. But I do think they could benefit from less pictures and less links on their homepage. Their homepage seems to be a little cluttered, and I think slimming it up would be great for them. Because of this, I think Summit Engineering and Design has a slightly better website for a civil engineering perspective, though I think both websites do a very good job. And finally, here are my sources. Thank you.